Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a signature in Outlook. As you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and to edit the signature you want to go to File, which is in the top left corner, maybe not the corner but in the top left side of the screen, and then go to the options. If you have the options, Outlook options open, then go to the mail settings, which is below the general, and then you have this option called signatures. So you want to click on the signatures, and then if you want to edit a signature, you want to select the specific signature that you want to edit. I have only one signature created, so just click on it, and now you can edit the signature. So let me show you how it works. Now, as you can see, my signature is something like this, and after editing, options, again, mail, signatures, maybe let's just change the numbers only, maybe to 456, 456, 456, and then we need to click save. And now I have changed my signature, so we can close it right now, and now select the new email, and now as you can see I have the new signature with the new numbers, so it worked. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye!